there is a new feature in Premiere Pro called audio transition handles, which blocks or covers out of sync icons. So when I try to pull my audio clip, this gray square box covers my out of sync indicator and doesn't let me to know how much I have to pull to get my audio back into sync. Luckily, Adobe has realized this issue and has fixed it in the beta version. So all I got to do is to click on Start and type Creative Cloud, select it to open it, click on the apps and then select Beta, find Premiere Pro Beta and then click on Install. And once the installation is complete, click on Open and then click on Open Project. Go to your project and then double click on it to open it. And now you can see out of sync icon is above the new audio transition handles. And when you minimize the tracks, it would just then show the out of sync icons instead of the audio transition handles. And now I can put back my audio into sync with its clip. I hope Adobe would be more careful in any future updates.